Repeat this sentence with me. Excuse me, I believe that's my order. Again. Excuse me, I believe that's my order. Good! Because in a few seconds, you will need it. Now imagine this. You just landed in New York. You are tired. You are hungry. You have not eaten in hours. You order food at the airport. Your phone rings. You look down for 1 second. And when you look up, an elderly woman is holding your bag. Today, we practice real airport English and how to fix an awkward mistake politely. Let's begin. I just landed in New York. The flight was long. I am exhausted. Repeat. I just landed. I am exhausted. Good. After immigration and baggage claim, I feel one thing. Hunger. Not a little hungry. I am starving. Repeat. I am starving. Perfect. I walk through the airport looking for food. I see a small cafe near my gate. The line is short. That is good. I step forward and say, "Hi, I would like a turkey sandwich and a coffee, please." Repeat. I would like a turkey sandwich and a coffee, please. Very natural. The cashier smiles and gives me a receipt. She says, "We will call your name." I move to the side and wait. There are many people, many bags, many announcements. Then I hear something. Elena! I look up. At the same time, my phone vibrates. I look down for 1 second. Just 1 second. When I look up again, I see a brown paper bag on the counter and an elderly woman reaching for it. I see the brown paper bag on the counter. The elderly woman takes it gently. She smiles at the cashier. "Thank you, dear," she says. My brain reacts. Wait, that is my order. Repeat. That is my order. Again. That is my order. Good. For 1 second, I hesitate. Maybe it is hers. Maybe I heard my name wrong, but I remember clearly. Turkey sandwich. Coffee. That is what I ordered. The woman turns slowly, holding the bag. This is the moment. If I stay silent, I lose my lunch. So I step forward. "Excuse me," I say carefully. She looks at me with kind eyes. "Yes?" My heart beats a little faster. "I believe that's my order." Repeat. "I believe that's my order." Good. She looks at the bag. "Oh my," she says softly. I ordered a muffin and tea. We both look at the receipt on the bag. The name says, Elena. She smiles. "Oh dear, this must be yours." Then she adds something unexpected. "You can keep it if you want. I do not mind." I blink. No, I say quickly. "I think there has been a mix-up." Repeat. "I think there has been a mix-up." Excellent. The cashier leans forward. "Oh, I am so sorry," she says. Let me check the other order. For a moment, I feel embarrassed. Many people are watching. Airports are quiet in strange ways. Even small situations feel big. The elderly woman smiles at me again. "It happens," she says kindly. I smile back. "Yes, it does. But I do not know yet." that the real mistake has not happened. Not yet. The cashier looks behind the counter. "Oh, here it is," she says. She hands the elderly woman a small white bag. "Muffin and tea." The woman smiles. "Thank you, dear." She looks at me again. "I hope you enjoy your sandwich." "I will," I say politely. Repeat, "I will." Good. She walks away slowly. The moment is over. Crisis solved. Or so I think. The cashier slides the brown paper bag toward me. "Turkey sandwich and coffee," she says. I smile with relief. "Thank you." Repeat, "Thank you." Very natural. I take the bag and find a small table near the window. I sit down. I am still hungry. Very hungry. I open the bag. I take out the sandwich. I look at it. I pause. This is not turkey. This is not even a sandwich. It is a blueberry muffin and a small cup of tea. My stomach drops. Repeat. Oh no. Again. Oh no. I look inside the bag again. Muffin. Tea. No sandwich. No coffee. I freeze. I just realized something. The elderly woman was right the first time. That bag was not mine. I took her order. My face feels hot. I whisper to myself, I made a mistake. Repeat, I made a mistake. Good. Not a small mistake. A very awkward mistake. Now I have her food, and she probably has mine. And I have to go back. I stand up quickly. My heart is beating fast again. This is worse than before. Before, I thought she took my food. Now I know. I took hers. Repeat, I took hers. Good. I look around the cafe. I see her sitting near the gate. She is slowly opening a brown paper bag. My brown paper bag, oh no. I walk toward her. Each step feels long. I stop in front of her table. "Excuse me," I say softly. She looks up. "Yes, dear?" I take a breath. "I am so sorry." Repeat, "I am so sorry." Again, "I am so sorry." Very good. "I think I made a mistake." I continue. "I accidentally took your order." Repeat, "I accidentally took your order." Excellent. She looks inside her bag. Then she looks at me, and she laughs. A soft, kind laugh. "Oh my," she says. "So that is what happened." I nod. "I am really sorry. This must be yours." I gently place the muffin and tea on her table. She smiles warmly. "It is perfectly fine," she says. "Airports are confusing." I feel relief. "But where is your sandwich?" she asks. I smile nervously. "I think you might have it." We both laugh now. She opens her bag. There it is. Turkey sandwich. Coffee. She shakes her head gently. "Well," she says, "we almost had lunch together." I smile. "Thank you for being so kind." Repeat, "Thank you for being so kind." Beautiful. She waves her hand softly. "Mistakes happen," she says. "Yes," I answer. "They do. And this time, I mean it. I walk back to my table with my sandwich and coffee. This time, the correct ones. I sit down and breathe slowly. That small moment felt very big. First, I thought she took my food. Then I realized I took hers. 2 mistakes, 1 lesson. Repeat. Mistakes happen. Again, mistakes happen. Good. Today I learned something important. English is not just vocabulary. English is behavior. It is tone. It is calm communication. When I said, I believe that's my order, I sounded respectful. When I said, I think there has been a mix-up, I sounded mature. When I said, I am so sorry, I made a mistake, I sounded confident. Polite English fixes awkward situations. Repeat. Polite English fixes awkward situations. Very good. Now let us review the most useful phrases from today. Airport and amp. Polite English. Quick review. I just landed. I am exhausted. I am starving. I would like a turkey sandwich and a coffee, please. Excuse me. I believe that's my order. I think there has been a mix-up. I accidentally took your order. I am so sorry. Thank you for being so kind. Notice. Something important. We did not use aggressive language. We did not say, you took my food. That is wrong. You made a mistake. Instead, we softened everything with, I believe, I think. I accidentally. I am sorry. That is real-life English. That is confident English. Final practice. Repeat this slowly. I believe there has been a mix-up. Again. I accidentally took your order. I am so sorry. Excellent. That sounded natural. Today you practiced airport vocabulary. Polite corrections, apologizing clearly, staying calm under pressure, and that is how real English grows. If this story helped you practice real English, make sure to subscribe for more stories like this. Like this video so I know you want more airport English. And write in the comments, polite English fixes awkward situations. Share this with a friend who is learning English too. See you in the next lesson.